Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Mally, and I hope y'all love it. You guys are looking gorgeous, I bet. And it's nice to get to know y'all more. This is, I think, one of my third videos. So go check out my other two. My channel is called Mally, M-A-L-L-I-E. Johnson, Johnsson. So my YouTube video is Mally Johnson. Okay, so go check those out. ASMR with my slime is one of them. Then the other one is my intro vid. Yo. So today I will be playing with slime. It's gonna be these. So, here's my neon, orange, and neon pink. So, I know that most people put into their videos, I'll review a slime package, or like, something like, let's review this package from the Novala family, or something like that. Which, I mean, I guess this is reviewing some of my slimes, but I don't know. I don't think it is. But, you know, not all people are the same. Some are different. So, comment down below this time, what's your favorite color? Pink or orange or like blue or purple? What's your favorite color? Comment down below, and I hope I get to know it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't give it a thumbs down. Because, you know, okay, you think that people on YouTube have to do the same thing over and over and over again? No. They don't. So you think they have to do it over and over and over and over again? But no. No. So you think that also people have to do the same thing? No, they don't. Not everyone is the same, so they're not going to do the same thing. Not everyone is the same. Anyways, so guys, I've had this sling on ever since Wednesday, and I had just got my channel yesterday. So, I've been posting videos and keep me updated, and so today I go back this evening, 5 o'clock. At least that's what I heard. And I go get another x-ray, then I go to an orthopedic, and then after I go to my orthopedic, they're going to decide what they want to do. But not all people are the same, so I'm not doing the same as the other. So it's very satisfying to watch come out. It's almost fully out. I suppose I could pull the rest out. Yeah, this container's like so wobbly. Especially with one hand. With two hands, I could just get it out all in one big dough. Anyways, here's the slime. And welcome back to another slime video, ASMR. Some of you might think that's like unsatisfying. We might play on one of my videos an in or out slime game. I hope y'all can see my videos that gets posted, and I hope y'all can watch them. So, let's just hope I don't have to get a cast. And if I don't, then I'll be coming home with nothing on my arm and I can be able to use it again. So, that would be a good thing because I'm left-handed. And I need this thing off because this is my left hand. And if you've watched this video, please tell some more of your friends to watch it and to like and subscribe. And hopefully, if you're one of my friends, I might send you a slap. Okay, so if you're one of my friends, I might. If you're one of my fans, then comment down below a video you would like to do. So you could pick a in or out slime game, or what? You could pick a type of slime video, or like you could pick like a baby routine video. Just depends on what you want. Anyways, I hope y'all like and subscribe down below. So that was my first slime. In the next video that I post, we will be reviewing the orange slime. I thought we would have time for the orange one today, but I think I might order to end it right now. Because I still got to upload this video. And yes, I'm going live now. And my life was before. So thank you guys for watching my video. It was nice having y'all. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends to do it too. And I hope y'all love introducing yourself to me. And I just want to say thank you for letting me introduce myself. Because it's just a blessing to have y'all here with me. Because I know that all the time videos on YouTube are just to have fun and to watch. But it's actually a blessing to YouTubers that blog in their time that they have just for you guys. And I just want to say thank y'all and bye-bye.